English feels as easy as tying your shoes. It's like second nature, as automatic as breathing or daydreaming. Isn't it wild how language just weaves itself into our very being as we grow up with it? Just as we master English one step at a time, diving into programming languages like Scratch and Python can be a blast. The trick? Cracking the code of their logic. Once that light bulb goes off, you'll be buzzing with confidence, ready to whip up your own digital masterpieces. So, let's plunge into learning objectives. Before we dive in, here's what we'll learn today. Get ready, it's going to be fun. First, understand how coding works. Today, you'll see how. Next, we'll discover how coding is like learning English. Then, learn how tokens build instructions, programs and apps. And finally, we'll gain confidence to code step by step creatively. Are you ready to explore this exciting world with me? Let's go! Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how coding works, and it's very similar to learning English or any language you already know. When you learned English, first you learned letters, A, B, C. Then you joined letters to make words. Words combined to make sentences. Sentences formed paragraphs, and paragraphs made complete stories. Coding works in the same way. We start with the smallest pieces called tokens. Tokens join to make instructions. Instructions combine to make programs. And different programs work together to create apps, games, or software. Tokens are like the letters of a coding language. They include things like variables, which store information, symbols, like plus or smiley face, and keywords, special words that tell the computer what to do. When we combine tokens, we write instructions. Each instruction tells the computer to do one small task, like adding a point to your score in a game. When we put many instructions together, they form a program. A program can be something simple, like a calculator or a game that you can play. Many programs can work together to make a big application, like YouTube or a game like Minecraft. These apps have different programs for sound, graphics, buttons, and much more. Hey, don't worry, we will learn all these steps one by one. First tokens, then instructions, then programs, and finally, we'll be ready to create our own apps or games. It will be a fun learning journey. Let's understand coding like a language, because it really is one. Just like in English, we start with letters, put them together to form words, then build sentences, which grow into paragraphs, and finally, we create beautiful stories. That's how we express ideas and share them with others. Now in coding, it's the same magic. We begin with tokens, like small coding words, arrange them into instructions, then group those to make programs, and eventually, we build amazing applications, like games, websites, and apps. Isn't it exciting? Just like storytelling, coding helps us communicate with computers to bring our ideas to life. You're not just learning code, you're learning a new language of creation. So always remember, coding is just like learning a language. You already know how to build big things from small pieces. Coding works the same way. Thank you. I hope this made coding a little less scary. Are you ready to take your first steps in coding? We'll work on it in our next class.